Hello guys, today we work with a worksheet and or notebook to complete these exercises. Now, this is the worksheet and we have to write down these sentences, these questions, and look for the answer. First, what do the letters UAE stand for? Two, how many states are in the UAE? Number three, what is the population of the UAE? Number four, what is the weather like in the UAE? Todas estas están con la lectura que leímos ayer. We read the lecture yesterday. Ahí los pueden encontrar. Okay, activity number two. Look at this activity. Okay, we have, let me make it a little bit smaller. Okay, we have this audio and we have to look, listen, and write who bought the items. I mean, the things. Was it Rashid? Si fue Rashid, le vamos a poner una R a lo que compró Rashid. His mom, la mamá, M, para ver qué fue lo que compró la mamá. And S, and S for the sister, para la hermana. Okay, ¿qué fue lo que compró? Then listen and answer.
Track 65. Look, listen, and write. Who bought the things? Was it Rashid, R, his mom, M, or his sister, Reem, S?
Hi, I went shopping with Rashid and his mom and sister today. We went to the Dubai Mall. It has an amazing fountain in the center that looks like the ocean. There were a lot of clothes and shoe stores, so Rashid was very happy. He likes clothes. He bought a t-shirt and his sister Reem bought some shoes. I don't like clothes stores very much. There were some bookstores. We looked at the books and Reem bought some school books. There were also some electronics stores. These are my favorite because I love electronics, like smartphones, computers, and tablets. Rashid bought a new laptop for school. There weren't many food stores, but there was a big supermarket. Rashid's mom bought some food.
Okay, we have all of them. Now you have to decide which letter goes with what item. T-shirt, books, groceries, electronics, and shoes. Okay, let's go and do it. And now the last part, I think it was like real easy thing. We have to read. Vamos a leer esto que tenemos aquí. And we have to decide which person is the customer, who's speaking to the salesperson. ¿Cómo van a saberlo si no está el nombre ahí? Okay, well, you have letters A, B, A, B, A, B. Okay, and what you are going to do is to read on number 2, on this one, who's the person talking to the salesperson. Okay, A or B. Ustedes nada más me van a contestar ahí en la libreta. A or B, lo que ustedes crean, para terminar con este ejercicio. Bueno, nos vemos el día de mañana, tomorrow, Wednesday. See you later, guys. Bye, bye.